Wagwan, my people, is your boy Albino. I apply more pressure. Today, I bring you another episode of Surviving Wild. I say to myself every morning, Albino, you have to step in at the day with confidence and purpose. Because when wicked people come for my flesh, all them are going to get is dry mouth and hungry belly. What you put out in the world, that come back to you. So I try put out positivity even when bad vibes try buck me. Me buck back. I tell myself, Albino, keep your head up. So that's exactly what me I do right now. Some people want to tie you out in the bush, one spot all day, just so you can reach greener pasture. But not me. You know, for the people, nothing at all. For them dislike you. And that's just how the thing set right now. And me beg you, look out for them spiritual pickpocket people. Them no want your money. Them just want to steal your energy. You ever wake up feeling good? And by midday, you go around certain people and you just feel miserable. You just get robbed for real. And your energy somebody theft. Me say, full Rammy energy. Keep your energy tight, my people. And remember, not every link is a blessing. Big up on yourself, my gun. Just drop a BAAH in the comment section. Talk your truth.